This video is going to show you how to replace the lamp socket. Only the socket body itself for Singer Featherweight and also the 201. It's not always necessary. This is the part that typically cracks, so you don't necessarily need to buy the whole assembly and try to weed the wires through the machine, which can be a pain in the butt. It comes off fairly easy. Just remove your bulb, just a slight turn counterclockwise. Now the 201 and 221 are both the same, a little different in design, but basically the same similar body. So you have one screw holding the shroud into place. You just remove that, and that's going to give your lamp a little room to come out and play. Now on the top, right down in here, is another screw. You just want to loosen this a little bit, not all the way. Just 1, 2 turns out. There's a metal plate that sits in here that's between the screw and your wire covering. Now on the end, you have a screw here. So undo this screw. And then basically undo this a little bit more. Your shroud comes right off. Now you've basically got your socket body. There's a washer, felt washer on the end. Remove that. And then you can see 2 screws. These come out. You don't necessarily need a jeweler's screwdriver, but a small one does the job. Undo these screws all the way. And then basically that cap comes off. And now you have your wires that go into the socket. And it should just work its way right out. Assembly is the same way in return. When you have this apart, look at the ends. Here, they should look like bullets. Just make sure they're not pitted. If they're pitted, you do need to replace your entire socket. But other than that, it's just removing these individual parts, and assembly is just as easy as it came apart. You fit the pieces in. I'm not going to run through all the steps. Put the cover on. Your washer goes into your shroud. It mounts back on. And there you have it.